guys, Coach Salome here, and today we're gonna do a breakfast toast with salmon and avocado. So I have some gluten-free bread. Obviously, I have some white gluten-free bread. You know, the wheat is always better, or anything other than white is always better. The store didn't have it. I have some lemon for toppings, and then I have some smoked salmon and already cut avocado that needs to be eaten ASAP. So we're gonna do the recipe now, and yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so we're gonna grab the gluten-free bread, and depending on how many toasts you want, obviously, but this recipe is for 2 toasts, so let's keep it this way. Okay, so I'm going to grab 2 toasts of gluten-free bread, and I'm going to put it on here, but I'm going to do 4 because I'm sure Lucas is going to want some. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the oven for like 10 minutes just to toast it. Okay, so from here we have the grilled gluten-free bread, and what you're going to do is you're just going to spoon the avocado. 1 tablespoon or 2, however much you really want on your toast. You don't really have to spread it out, just keep it simple. And then you're going to do that for all of your toasts. See, 1/2 of an avocado did 2.5 toasts, so you don't need much avocados. Here we go for the avocado. Next step, super simple. Grab your smoked salmon, put it on your toast, however much you want, obviously. I love salmon, so we're gonna go add it. And you can buy any type of smoked salmon, depending on your preference. And then from here, I like to add a little squeezed lemon to it. It just gives a better taste. And you just squeeze the lemon onto your toast. And then there you have it. Smoked salmon avocado breakfast toast.